brakes. You got a 2007 Z06, about to get baselined. It does have a Corsa intake. Also believe it has a cam, headers.
It doesn't sound stop.
No, definitely sounds like it has a cam. What do you think it'll make?
It's super low miles, only 6,000 miles.
That's, yeah, this one's nice.
Even just bolt on, it should make it 500 something. 520.
520?
Yeah.
All right, I'll go 540. Certainly not cam power numbers.
Weird.
They're pretty, it's bolt-on numbers. Guess we'll find out. What are you doing there?
That's a camera thing?
Oh, okay. Well, I guess we'll find out if that is has a camera or not.
It's got an MSC in the back, so probably a version of a Stage 4.
Nice. All right. Did you find out for sure this thing is getting a Stage 4?
Yep, and valve covers.
Nice. Nice.
Yep.
Red valve covers, I'm guessing.
Yep.
What a surprise.
I went to Cold Stone last night.
Went to what?
Cold Stone.
Cold Stone. What's that?
Ice cream place? You heard of Cold Stone?
Never even heard of it.
Really? Went to an ice cream place last night, and it was delicious. Waited in line for 20 minutes.
Okay.
I was pretty irritated about that. Walked in. Way too many people for my liking.
Is it called Cold Stone Creamery?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe.
You had heard. I mean, they're all in the United States.
Creamery part.
Okay. I was gonna go with the small one because I don't want to go too crazy. I fucking love the waffle kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. We had to get these waffle bowls. So I was like, "Those waffle bowls come in one size?" Or yeah. I'm like, "Give me one of them." Of course, it's the largest one they have.
Yeah,
but it's
giant.
kind of bullshit because it sits in like a large cup, but not all the way down, and like. There's probably less than like a quart of ice cream in it.
Was it kind of like deceiving how much ice cream there was at first?
Yeah, because I'm like, I'm thinking I'm gonna like, it's gonna go deep. And broke through the bottom of it. I was like, what the f is that? I was kind of nice. I was kind of glad because I wasn't trying to get that much ice cream in my system.
Yeah.
But, God, that waffle cone is something different. It's so good. She's like, do you want it dipped? I'm like, no. Relax. Oh, hunky-dory.
Hunky-dory, huh?
Hunky-dory.
What does hunky-dory mean?
All good in the hood. A1.
Is that like the exact definition, or?
What?
So is that like the exact definition?
No, that's not the Webster's fucking dictionary definition.
Just looking up the dictionary definition of hunky-dory. Just 'cause I was curious.
What did it say?
It says it's an adjective. Fine, or going well. Hunky-dory originated in the 1860s.
Sounds about right. Back when things were hunky-dory.
Yeah.
Right before Prohibition. Gary, you know when Prohibition was?
Do I know when it was?
Yeah.
No. You can't ask me about American history.
Why?
Especially times. I can't give you time.
I mean,
frames.
Jesus Christ, to become a citizen in this fucking place, you have to answer questions like that on the test.
I can't give you time frames of anything. I'm just not good with dates at all. Like birthdays, not good. I don't remember birthdays.
Okay, how about this? When was the Constitution signed? Written. Come on, dude. Come on.
1776.
There you go, bud.
I do know that one.
You know the original.
Actually, funny enough.
Religion of the
Is that? Are you wearing one of the shirts?
That's why.
Yeah,
That's why I'm asking that question. It's on the back of my shirt. It's not a stanky pussy.
Jared, you can leave in like. Well, actually, you're leaving at 5. We can't race. Yeah, you leave in normal time. Don't fucking leave early.
Was the sun out on the whole weekend for you down there?
And got lunch. Seen Garrett's boyfriends over there.
Garrett's boyfriends.
Yeah.
Who are your boyfriends?
There's a lot of them down there, apparently.
Got some at Lorenzo's last night for dinner.
Lorenzo's?
Yeah, big ass pizza we were talking about yesterday.
Yeah.
I meant to take a picture to show you a comparison, but picture a large pizza box and this slice. The length of the slice is almost the complete length of the pizza box, of a large pizza box. It's like probably this, like probably this big, this fucking wide. Big piece of pizza.
That was a full pizza that big? Like,
No, that's just one slice. So
oh, you got was a slice? Or?
yeah,
Okay.
and their pies are like 30 inches round. So the pizza box is insane.
Wow, Kyle.
Wow.
You're getting the MSD put together.
And nothing gets past you.
MSD, Atomic Air Force. You liking the name Atomic Air Force, or you think they should have come up with something better?
I think they could have came out with something better.
I agree.
Air Force.
Yeah, ready, Kyle?
Yep. Let me eat a pizza. That's what stuck in my head now.
What's stuck in your head?
Eric whistled something for 1 second. It reminds me of a song. You know that song's gonna be stuck in my head?
What song?
Eat a lot of peaches.
Eat a lot of peaches?
Mm-hmm.
Is that? I've never heard the Eat a Lot
Really?
of Peaches. No? Is that like a kid's song or something?
It certainly isn't.
Or is it eat a lot of peaches as in like eat a lot of ass?
No, like peaches.
Oh.
It's like loud. Just Google, I'm gonna eat a lot of peaches. I guarantee that song comes up. As soon as I hear it, I know.
It sounds like a fucking name of a nursery rhyme or something. Song by the presidents of the United States of America.
There you have it.
Nice.
Well, 2007 C6Z, baseline $499, so it must have had something done to it already. Oh, it had Cook's instant 7/8 setters and a Corsa air intake. It got our full stage 4 package, and I guess the customer gave us the MSD. So I don't know if it's ported or not. Let me find out. But so basically, got our heads cam package. It had Cook's headers and a Corsa air intake on it, and we put an MSD on it. I'm gonna make a pull, and then I'll let you know when Bill replies to me if it's ported or not. That's some fuel. Well, I don't know if the MSD's ported or not, and it has instant 7/8 Cook, so in reality it's like a stage 3 with an MSD, so it's not really a stage 4. Intake's different, headers are different. I don't know if the MSD's ported. Signal is f***ed up. This thing's gonna make a lot of power. Tack signal's all f***ed up though. Yeah, it's gonna make a lot of power though. Made 625 and 553 right there. Got a bunch of fucking random knock at the end, which is weird. This thing's got 6,000 miles on it too. Wonder how old the gas is in this thing. Wonder how old the gas is. It's only got 6,000 miles, so I'm wondering if it like has been sitting. No, I would drain it if anything. I don't add anything to that shit if I think it's bad. It's got a half tank in it. Where'd this thing come from? Is it local? There's no address on his invoice, that's what I'm asking. New Jersey, okay. Or since New Jersey you can't pump your own gas, I wonder if some stupid put shitty gas in it. I pulled some timing out of it now and it should easily take this with no knock, and if it doesn't then we'll put fresh gas in it.
I went through Jersey for the first time like a couple years ago.
For the first time.
A few years ago or something.
A few weeks ago.
And I had my SS then, and I got out and just started pumping my gas.
I always did too, because I always had diesel trucks, so I always pumped my own, but did they yell at you?
The guy started freaking out.
I think with diesels you're actually supposed to pump it your own. I don't know. I avoid New Jersey and New York like it's fucking AIDS in front of my face. Those two states should just, them and California should just break off and die. I'm sorry to the few people that are in those states that are pretty cool. Come over to a cool state and ship them states fucking off. But it's got no timing in it. I get once like 15 degrees, so I think the gas sucks in this thing. It was better, but I think it's still fucked up, so I wanna drain it. I think Eric has a contraption to drain these things. You wanna ask him? We'll be back. We're gonna drain this gas, because this thing should easily take more than 15 degrees. Because I had like 18 in it, and it's still got like 2.5 degrees of knock. We're gonna drain the gas completely. It's got like a half tank. We'll put some fresh 93 in it. I'll cycle it around a little bit and we'll be back. All right, drained it out, put some fresh gas in. It might take a pull or so to get it cycled through, but we'll see. I didn't change the tune, but I got like 3 degrees of knock last pull, so we'll see what it does. 638, 546. So I'll just make another pull. All right, let this thing cool down over lunch. I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to make another pull. The knock was getting like lower and lower each pull, so maybe the gas is just getting pulled through the lines as I go through. I'm just going to kind of see what happens, and it's still making good power. So regardless if I even need to leave low timing in it, it still made 639 or something. So we'll see. .2 547. That's stout. Like I said, it's on low timing. It's got like 18 degrees in it. I think Bill said this intake is ported, by the way. I don't know by who, but doing a whole lot of assuming over there, pal. Assuming. Yeah. You're assuming that I'm finished. Yes, you were. You took off your fucking headphones. You put your camera down. Don't fucking try and tell me that you didn't assume that I was finished. Right. Your fucking brain working at fucking 8,000 RPM fucking all day long, still in neutral. Fucking what's overheating your head? Just banging off the fucking limiter. You gotta put it in gear, motherfucker, to go forward. All right, this will probably be last pull. X36, 547, still stout. This thing's got a course on it, by the way, so it's loud. Either way, it's done. This thing made some good power. Later.